All right, back here on John's Vet, and remember we did notice we had a coolant leak. So getting ready to pressure test. Got the car out here, and I pulled the radiator cap. And please note, we have oil, a little floating on top, a little oily chocolate shake. I am hoping that's the trans cooler in the radiator leaking and not a head gasket or something of that nature. I'm going to pressure test the cooling system first because I want to find our leak, and then we will address the fluid in the cooling system. All right, we've got our cooling system pumped up, and the pressure is actually dropping pretty quickly. Got our light here. We're gonna play find the leak.
I'm out of here, Bo.
All right, man. I'll see you in the morning, Scotty. Yes, sir. Play find the leak. Ooh. Oh. That's a new one. So, a cooling system leak. There's something with steel in this car. Oh, damn it. It's the intake gasket. Wow. I thought it was a seeping water pump, which is what I would have thought it would be. But it's actually the intake manifold gasket where the coolant runs through. Unbelievable. I haven't seen that in a long time, really. Look at that. All right. Now we know. That's a lot of work. So that might be oil. Probably not, though. So let's check and see. I want to check our transmission fluid as well, just to see if it looks like shake at all. But we definitely found our leak. So we have another coolant leak. Of course, the flush fill connection. Always. Of course it is. So, deal with that as well. I'm going to pull the trans dipstick here in a minute. Check that. We just changed the oil. I'll check that as well. And you can see all of our pressure has bled off already. All right, so I've had the trans dipstick out a few times already. Our fluid looks nice, clean and clear and proper. I got a feeling a little bit of petroleum in our cooling system isn't from our trans cooler, it's from our leak here, the manifold. Just a little bit of residual.